So this morning we're off to a place called Shiprock. Massive big rock formation that's supposed to be really important to the Navajo people. It sticks up like a big stegosaurus in the desert. And it's pretty close to like the four corners of like Colorado, Utah, Arizona, New Mexico. So we're gonna hit it, get the drone out, go for a little squirt, see what it's all about, and then go onwards to Monument Valley, proper Navajo territory. So we're gonna camp out there tonight as well. Let's go. My trusty steed for this journey, it's a Yamaha Ténéré 700. It's like a mountain goat with headlights. It goes just about anywhere. More importantly, it'll carry all the crap I've somehow managed to convince myself that I need. I'm heading north today through the American Southwest, on my way to Shiprock, New Mexico. And the good thing about the desert, absolutely beautiful weather. Alright, so I've hit Farmington, New Mexico. I think I like the look of this place already, because first thing on the left there, in that big pink Pizza Hut building, adult video. How the hell is that still surviving? Just get a porn up account, you dirty dog. Hey? Looks like one of those typical American small towns. Cruising down Main Street. Hey buddy, how friendly is that? Some Indian looking bloke just gave me a wave. Oh, we've got some horses. Yeehaw, baby. They probably think I'm trying to wrangle them or something, eh? Are they wild? Like, is there wild horses in this part of New Mexico? Oh, nah. I'm not going to chase them anymore. I feel bad. Look, they're proper sprinting. I don't want any of them to like fall over. But see, I haven't noticed this anywhere else in New Mexico, but it looks like real volcanic, just up in this real north part. And like, as you can see, like through the middle, it's like white, bits of red, but most of it looks like just, yeah, big black balls. Real strange, eh? Bullet holes everywhere. That's it, like a dinosaur, eh? Right, I'm going to crack the drone out, take it for a bit of a fly. So, you're driving through the New Mexico desert, minding your own business, and this absolute unit shows up out of nowhere. This is Shiprock. It's about 27 million years old, but despite the name, it isn't actually a rock that just got dumped here. It's the hardened core of an ancient volcano. Everything around it has slowly eroded away over millions of years, leaving this giant nugget standing on its own. The Navajo people, they call it, well, be honest with you, I can't pronounce it, but it means rock with wings. According to their stories, it was a bird that carried their ancestors to safety before setting here and turning into stone. You went on a fucking trip, didn't ya? Hey? Rightio, butt cheeks are feeling fresh and it's back on the Ténéré. Now I'm heading north up to the Four Corners Monument. It's a little area where 4 states all meet. Utah, New Mexico, Colorado, Arizona. It's basically the only place in America where you can really stand in 4 states at once, if that's the type of thing that gets you excited. I wasn't really planning on stopping at this place, but, you know, it's on the way. I can have a quick stretch and have a little rubberneck around.
I hear you talking at work to the boys in the gym, talking at the bar till I walk in. Baby, why won't you talk to me? Can't get your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Say what you will at the hardware store. Don't get you started talking about sports, baby.
Four Corners Monument. God damn it, Navajo. You're killing me. Hello. Just no drone zone. Damn it. I was thinking about getting a little bit cheeky and cracking the drone out. Oh, dispersing of cremation ash on tribal parkland is prohibited. Cremation is considered malicious desecration in Navajo cultural belief. Well, bad news, Dad. We're not scattering your ashes on the four corners. Cheers, eh? I think they need a couple more flags. Not flaggy enough, I don't reckon. Alright, let's get a park and see what this nonsense is all about. Right here, I reckon. Beautiful. Fuck the old girl. Oh, here we go. So I'm entering from New Mexico and jumping in Arizona and a sneaky little step into Utah. And why not? Let's spend a couple of minutes in Colorado. Hey, look at that. All 4 states intersecting right there. That's cool, isn't it? Look at this. Look at this line across 4 states. Hey, Rancho Relaxo, baby. America. I'm guessing walking back this way towards the Navajo tacos is New Mexico. Hell yeah. Damn, I love the trucks that they get around here. Look at the size of the tyres, the wheels on that bad boy. Hey, you wouldn't get away with that in Australia. Shit. I might go over and get a Navajo taco. It's dirty stinking taco, I reckon. Let's see what they got. Well, looks like the old Navajo taco is out of business. Damn it. I was really feeling naughty little taco. Whoa. Alright. Let's rock and roll. At the base of the cliffs there's like a little township, little teepee looking things. I wonder if that's an ancient smoking ceremony. Hey. Well, almost missed the turn off. Well, I did miss it. It's a hummingbird campsite. Arrowhead campground and Chief's campsite cabin. I'm loving this. Alright, here we go. Arrowhead campground. This is awesome. I know what's going to happen too. Even though it's late, I bet you someone rocks up at night going, "Excuse me, sir, this did you pay for this spot?" So we're at number 4. I'm going to start setting up before it gets too dark. Do you know what? I don't want to be that guy and sit right in the front of the others. I don't want to block their view. So I'm going to pretend that I'm looking at my number. Oh, it's number 4. I booked number 5, whatever number that one is over there. Alright, well, might as well go over to that one just so these guys get a better view, eh? I don't want them to wake up in the morning and the first thing they see when they look out over here is the silhouette of me jacking off in my tent. Alright, let's rock and roll. The old girl gets a little carport tonight. Well, so we rode most of the day today, left this morning about 9 o'clock, and now it's 5:30. So it's a big day in the saddle. Got some noodles there, whack on the little campfire. Have we got this? There's one person over there, and we're right in the middle of Monument Valley. I didn't want to be in the way of them guys back there. Well, I'm going to set up tent. I reckon I'm going to put the tent just like here and then look out that way. Perfect. And get a little fire going, I reckon. What a spot. It's a tent set up, nice and easy. Now, air mattress. So the other night, I didn't work out how to pump this bad boy up. I thought, oh, I haven't got a pump. So I just laid on it like this, and it was fucking uncomfortable. But after a bit of googling, I've worked out how to, oh no, that's it. So you got to open up that bad boy and stomp your feet. Pump up the jam, pump it up while your speakers pump in. That's going to be way more comfy, isn't it? What a loser. I slept on this, wondered why it was so uncomfortable. It wasn't even pumped up. Oh yeah. I could go surfing on this. Try not to get any red dirt in there. Alright, my feng shui says I'm going to put my head up this end, because I want to look out there. Sleeping bag is in, and man oh man, that looks way warmer, doesn't it? Oh, and a cheeky little blanket in there too. Little safety blanket. Just to make me feel nice and cozy. Hell yeah, look at that. Alright, well, that is basically all I'm going to film for today, just because it's getting dark and the footage gets really shit. So I'm going to keep setting up and cook some dinner, and then just chill out and just have a look at this whole scenery that's right in front of me. I'll see you in the morning. Boom. Well, good morning. Made it through the night. Let me tell you what, you got a good quality mattress, air mattress, and a good quality sleeping bag. Oh, it makes it so much better, eh? All that difference with just a really nice sleeping bag. None of that little cheap shit thin one, you know? But yeah, I had a great night. When I rocked up, I didn't make a booking. I thought it was free camping, you know? Pick a spot, just like a public campsite. Turns out that house over there is actually the dude who, this is on his land. So I had a chat with the couple over there, and they said it was like 40 bucks. So had to jump onto HipCamp, the app, and just book it. Straight away. So one of the blokes came over, introduced himself, asked if I needed anything. Really, really friendly. So 40 bucks, that's pretty bloody good, I reckon, eh? And the owners have got a dog too, and the dog just, I don't know if you can see it over there. That's not their dog. That's the owner's dog, and he just cruises around. Old Navajo dog. So yeah, I'm gonna crack the drone out and go for a little fly. See what Monument Valley looks like from bird's eye. Get in there, you bugger. I was just about to say that every day packing gets easier and easier. I thought I'd finish. I thought, you know what? Good job, Passy, eh? You're really making strides with how you connect your luggage. Find an extra space that wasn't there before. Still haven't packed my blankie. Not my little sandals. All my trackies, my tracky dacks. I still got about 5 more things I've got to try and put in now, so she's bursting out of seams. That's right at the end. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, all right, let's get to it. Now this is Monument Valley. You've probably seen it before without even realising it. It's been in more old westerns that you can shake a stick at. Plus, movies like Forrest Gump. It's pretty much become the picture everyone has in their head when they think of the American West. It's hard to explain just how massive these sandstone butts are until you're riding right past them. They don't even look real. It honestly feels like someone's built a movie set out here. This whole area sits within Navajo Nation. Before rocking up here, I thought Navajo Nation was just a little bit of land with a couple of teepees on it. But it is huge. It spans 3 states and at 27,500 square miles. She's a big one. Well, that wraps up my time riding around Arizona and Utah. Next stop, I'm out to the Grand Canyon. Gonna make a couple of more vids, so if you want to come along for the ride, sit tight, and I'll be back soon. See you later.